Good morning to all. I am K. Palanivel, Assistant Professor of Mathematics, SNS College of Engineering, Coimbatore. Today, I am going to the topic a case study of harmonic and complex form of Fourier series for MDF industries. First, we into introduction. Power quality is a term that means different things depending on one's frame of reference. For instance, a utility may define power quality as reliability, whereas a manufacturer of load equipment may define power quality as those characteristics of the power supply that enable the equipment to work properly. These characteristics can be very different for different criteria. Power quality is ultimately a consumer driven issue, and the end user's point of reference takes precedence. Therefore, the following definition of a power quality problem is sometimes used. Any power problem manifested in voltage, current, or frequently deviations. Those results in failure or misoperation of customer equipment defines power quality as the concept of powering and grounding sensitive electronic equipment in the manner suitable for the equipment. Sensitive electronic equipment in a manner suitable for the equipment. Lack of power quality may cause many problems such as the non-linearity, instability and unbalance of electric network. Understanding power quality issues is a good starting point for solving any harmonic or complex problems. The significant reason that the electrical engineers are interested in power quality is economic value, or mechanical engineers also. There are economic impacts on utilities, their customers and suppliers of load equipment. The quality of power can have a direct economic impact on many industrial consumers. There has recently been a great emphasis on retrofitting industry with a more automation and more modern equipments. This usually means electronically controlled, energy efficient equipment that is often much sensitive to deviations in the supply voltage. Many events disturbance included in a power quality issue. Some of these disturbance and events are such as voltage surge swells and in this case study, first theoretical aspects of effects of harmonic distortion on the behavior and performance of several important electrical equipments such as transformer, induction motor drives and power cables have been described punctually, and then harmonic analysis has been done on a MDF factory and also a case study. For the sake of this analysis, several measurements have been performed on some of installed instruments in this factory. All measurements have been done using the CA8310 power analyzer. After measurements, results have been analyzed. In recent years, with the increase of nonlinear loads drawing in non-sinusoidal currents, power quality distortions has become a serious problem in electrical power systems. Serious problem in electrical power systems. Distortion in voltage and current wave shapes can upset and use equipment and cause other problems. Harmonics are a particularly common type of distortion that repeats every cycle. Poor power quality may cause many problems such as the non-linearity instability and unbalance of electric network, also power quality problem, will decrease lifetime of electrical instrumentation. In this case study, effects of harmonic distortion on the performance of the transformers, also complex series form of Fourier series is also cables and induction motors have been studied. Then, after theoretical study, harmonic and complex of several power quality indices have been measured. The MDF means the medium density fiber board. MDF means medium density fiber board factory. The measurements show the harmonic distortion will decrease the lifetime of transformer and motors and also will increase the losses and temperature of these equipments. Next one, various abilities of power analyzer. The CA8310 power analyzer has been shown given figure. It should be mentioned that some of various abilities of this device are as follows. First one, store the three space current and voltage waveforms. Second one, measure the RMS value of phase and line voltage and current. Third one, measure the active and reactive and apparent power of each phase. Fourth one, measure the voltage and current harmonic orders up to 25th order. Fifth one, measure the THDB fifth and THD first. And last one, measure the frequency, power factor and displacement factor. See this diagram, CA8310 power analyzer. See these diagrams also. Next one, impacts on electrical instruments. The harmonic definition and its impacts on electrical instruments is defined as sinusoidal component of a periodic wave or quantity having a frequency that is an integral multiple of the fundamental frequency. Therefore, harmonic is the presence of voltage current with the frequency of a multiple of fundamental voltage current in the voltage current of the system. The common power quality problem in power and distortion networks and also in industrial factories is harmonic distortion, particularly current harmonic distortion. More recently, more recently, the range of types and the number of units of equipment casing harmonics have risen sharply and will continue to rise. So, designers must now consider harmonics and their side effects very carefully. The most important source of voltage and current harmonics in electrical networks are nonlinear loads. Nonlinear loads, which were only 15% of total loads in 1987, have been increased to 70% in 2000 or other years. So, ever increasing of nonlinear load cases inordinate increase the harmonic in a network. Next one, harmonic studies are often performed when the finding solution to an existing harmonic problem. Next one, installing large nonlinear loads devices or loads and designing a harmonic filter and installing large capacitor banks on utility disturbance system or industrial systems. Last one, converting a power factor capacitor bank to a capacitor bank to a harmonic filter. Generally, the procedure of harmonic study in industry is shown in the below diagrams. Therefore, the harmonic sources can be classified into two major groups. First one, commercial and industrial loads. Commercial facilities such as office complexes, departmental stores, hospitals, universities, and internet data centers are dominated with high efficiency fluorescent lighting with electronic ballasts, adjustable speed drives for the heating, ventilation, and air conditioning, loads, elevator drives, and sensitive electronic equipment supplied by single phase switch mode power supplies. Beside, modern industrial facilities are characterized by the widespread application of nonlinear loads. These loads can make up a significant portion of the total facility loads and inject harmonic current in power systems. And next one, the harmonics on electrical instruments, effects of harmonics also. First one, disturbance of electricians, electric and electronic devices. Next, higher losses. Next one, extra neutral current. Next one, improper working of metering devices. Improper working of metering devices and resonance problems. Resonance problems. Also, the main effects of voltage and current harmonics with the power system, currents of the power system is blowing this one. First one, starting the diagram, description of the harmonic study procedure diagram is determination of the objective of the harmonic study, make a computer simulation for finding the best points for measurements, make measurements for characterizing sources of voltage, current and harmonics. Next one, correction of the computer model based on measurement results, design of the proper solution also. Finally, the possibility main effects of the power system. The main effect of voltage and current harmonics with the power systems are first one, the possibility of amplification of harmonic levels resulting from series and parallel resonance. Second one, a reduction in the efficiency of the generation, transmission and utilization of electric energy. Third one, aging of the insulation of electrical plant components with consequent shortening of their useful life. And fourth one, malfunctioning of system or plant components. Malfunctioning of system or plant components. Next one, basic categories of instruments. Basic categories are instruments are shorter there. The wiring and grounding test devices, multimeters, oscilloscopes, disturbance analyzer, harmonic analyzer and spectrum analyzers, combination disturbance and harmonic analyzers and flicker meters. Next one, energy monitors are also the basic categories of instruments that may be applicable this power energy. Next one, impact capabilities for useful harmonic measurements. Impact capabilities for useful harmonic measurements are the first one, capability to measure both voltage and current simultaneously show that harmonic power flow information can be obtained. Next one, capability to measure both magnitude and phase angle of individual harmonic components. Third one, synchronization and a sampling rate fast enough to obtain accurate measurement of harmonic components. Fourth one, capability of characterize the statistical nature of harmonic distortion levels. These were some four categories. Next one, typical waveform of voltage and current and their harmonic effects are there. The sake of harmonic analysis, the MDF factory has been selected as a case study. This factory has many DC and induction motors, electrical drives with switching devices and transformers. The used AC the used AC to DC drives in this factory produce and inject a significant value of harmonic distortion in voltage and current waveform. The harmonic content of voltage or current can cause a big set of problems in terms of loss increasing of insulation stress and eventually life reduction in transformers and motors. Therefore the authors admit the effectiveness of the impacts of harmonic study on the power quality indexes for electrical instruments. Hence, three DC induction motors and a three-phase transformer have been selected as case study subjects. It should be mentioned that all measurements have been accomplishing using CA8310 power analyzer, and there is the 250 kV 250 kilowatt DC motor also joined this one 250 kilowatt. Next one, a derivative of 250 kilowatt DC motor. For harmonic analysis of this equipment, the power analyzer has been put on output of drives for sampling and recording duration of 3 days. The data have been recorded with time interval of 15 minutes with sampling frequency 256 sample per cycle. For this case, voltage and current qualities and variation of power factor have been measured and analyzed. So the total harmonic distortion THD means the total harmonic distortion of voltage, and another TDD is total demand distortion. THD is total harmonic distortion, TDD is total demand distortion of current of each space have been shown in the flow diagrams. In addition, magnitude of voltage harmonic as per the harmonic distortion is extra losses in electrical machines, especially motors and transformers. Show for the diagram this motor the amount of extra losses for each phase have been in the diagram also. The harmonic analysis of the equipment, the power analyzer has been in the output drive sampling recording and sampling also THD and TDD. Also, the harmonic analysis 15 kilowatt motor, the measurement devices has been put on output drives for sampling and recording duration in 3 days have been recorded. Output of the sampling recording is the data have been recorded with the time interval. Also, any transformer or drive window only 15 minutes of the frequency, sampling frequency with the time interval is 15 minutes. Sampling frequency is 256 sample. We have to take the cycle. This transformer supply of drives space voltages and also THD current, TDD and their harmonic suppliers. Finally, this is also procedure of the harmonics and power supplies of these current distortions. The main generally we have to study in recent years with the increase of non-linear loads drawing non-sinusoidal currents, power quality distortion has become a serious problem in power systems. Distortions in voltage and current wave shapes can upset end use equipment and cause other problems. Harmonics are a harmonics or complex Fourier series are a particularly common type of distortion that repeats every cycle. Poor power quality may cause many problems such as the non-linearity, instability and unbalance of electric network. Also, power quality problems will decrease lifetime of electrical instrumentation. In this case study, effects of harmonic distortion on the performance of the transformers, cables, and induction motors have been studied. Then, thereafter, theoretical study, harmonic, and several power quality indices have been measured in MDF factories. MDF means already, you know, medium density fiber board. The measurements show that harmonic or complex distortion will decrease the lifetime of transformer and motors, and also will increase the losses of temperature and equipments, also this in the given diagrams. Finally, we go into conclusion. In this case study, the power quality indices, especially harmonic problems, have been investigated based on study of the behavior of transformer and induction motors under harmonic distortion. Therefore, a medium density fiberboard factory has has been considered for case study. For this purpose, effect of harmonic on electrical instruments, effect of harmonic and electrical instruments has been evaluated using the harmonic analyzer. Therefore, under this condition, voltage THD and current TDD and harmonic quantities spectrum of these quantities has been measured. It is shown that using dc drives shown that using dc drives, and also THD total harmonic distortion and the current total demand distortion and the harmonic spectrum of these quantities has been measured. It's shown that using DC drives, the voltage peak and its harmonic spectrum will be distorted. This condition is very dangerous for the lifetime of motor and the transformer that supply the drives. These are the we got to see this case study is very useful to the students and faculties. Thank you. Thank you one and all for